Shining star. Hello friends. This time you have to guess anime by emoji. First question, come on. Castle and footprints. Yeah, it's Howl's moving castle. Next question, a fish and a boy. That's easy. Yeah, it's a ponyo. The wolf and the princess. Amazing characters. What anime is that? That's right. It's Princess Manoke. Next emoji. Ghosts and the girl. Which anime is this? That's right. It's Spirited Away. And so the latest emoji. The boy and the bird. Let's go. That's right. It's the boy and the bird. Thank you. Leave a comment. Leave your preference.